Hi, hello my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. టుడే I am going to prepare raw banana bajji or attikai bajji. Come on, let's start the process. 1 raw banana, 1 cup of basin flour, half cup of rice flour, salt as needed, ajwain half teaspoon, 1 pinch of baking soda, half teaspoon of red chili powder, oil for deep frying. Now take a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of basin flour. Now add half cup of rice flour. Salt as required. Red chili powder. Baking soda. Ajwain. Mix all ingredients very well. Now add little amount of water and mix it well. Mix it well until the batter gets thick consistency. Peel and slice raw banana. Now take a deep pan. Add required amount of oil for deep fry. Before deep fry, mix the batter very well. Dip each slice in the batter and swipe off the excess batter and drop in the oil. Fry until it turns into a golden color. Deep fry till golden on medium flame. Once bhaji get fried, take it in a bowl. Mix chopped onions, green chili, coriander leaves, salt and lemon juice. Split the fritters in the center and stuff them with the onion mix and serve immediately. Now you can enjoy this raw banana bhaji with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching today's episode.